Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add HTML code on your Wix website. But before that, make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. So let's jump right into it. All you need to do, first of all, go and log in with your Wix account and open the classic editor of Wix. Now, once you're over here, you're going to tap on this plus icon to add the elements. And from here, you're going to go to the search bar and search for HTML. Now here you can see we have embeds, so you have to go over there. You can see we have this embed code right here. You're gonna simply click on embed HTML, and over here you can paste your HTML code and that will be displayed to your website. So this is basically how you can add the HTML code on your Wix website. I hope this tutorial helps you out. Make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.